Hi everyone, happy summer holidays. I hope you're enjoying it. And we know that in summer we eat lots of bright fruits. So today I am going to make summer fruit bowls with clay. So we need at least 3 bowls if you want to make those 3 fruits. We need a cling film, a roller, a cutter, and a modeling clay. We will also need a cutting board. And so now we are using the cling film and putting it on the cutting board so the modeling clay doesn't stick on the cutting board. After, we would at least get half of the modeling clay and put it in the cutting board. And then knead it in so it's nice and soft. After it's kneaded, make it flat and then use the roller to make it, to spread it out. Make sure to roll it really a lot and make sure it's also a bit thick. After, place one ball and onto the modeling clay and use the cutter to cut it around the bowl. After cutting the clay, we would place it on the bowl. But before that, we should put cling film so it doesn't get stick on the bowl. Now we can put the clay onto the bowl. I make sure it was tight on the bowl so it doesn't get off. And I added water to make it more smooth. And make sure that you don't overwater it. We don't need to waste the clay, so we can use the clay to make other bowls. So I started to knead the clay. I love to knead, it's just really fun for me. This bowl is an orange, so I used the pencil to make little dots because oranges normally have dots. And remember to not put the dots as close, so it has to be a bit far. Make sure to put all the dots in the whole bowl. I have finished doing it. And now I'm going to use a foil and just dab it on the bowl. Really lightly. This is another bowl, but now it's not an orange, it's a lemon. Because there was more clay, I just made it as a heart. I have finished, my bowls have already dried, so now I'm going to paint them. First, I chose the colors that I need. So we didn't have orange color, so we had to make the orange color and then we can paint it. Because first of all, we were gonna start the orange. If you don't have the orange paint, you can do the same thing. If we use red, white and yellow and mix it together, we will get the color orange. First, we need to draw the shape in the bowl. Same way we can draw it with pencil. Now we can paint orange. Now we need to paint the white in the other parts. Make sure we paint orange in the edges. Now we can start our lemon bowl. We're just going to draw the same with the orange bowl. My yellow paint is a bit watery, that's why we need it to dry. Look at this, it's very nice and it's bright. Now we're going to start with the watermelon. This time the watermelon is going to be different from the orange and the lemon bowl. We can use bright red because it's really attractive. Make sure to put red paint at least until the line. We need to put green paint on the edges of the watermelon. Now we need to wait for it to dry. Now I am going to paint the orange. Make sure we paint inside the dots as well. When we finish orange, we can start lemon. Now here we are using lemon yellow. And now we're going to paint it all over, just like the orange. For watermelon, we need to paint light green. After drying, we need to put paint light green on top of it. Dark green on top of it. Now we can draw the seeds in each bowl. So for orange, we need to paint white seed. For watermelon, there is black seeds. After drying, we can use varnish for fresh look.